I don't know. Probably not, because it's a weekday. Have friends over to let in our
Okay, but there are 5 cars. I can't remember what 5 cars. It's like down here. I see my Who's in there? Who's in there?
Hey, buddy. Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Did you finish your story? Is that a coin from your mommy?
I got 2.
2 of them.
One is at home, and one is here.
Cool. Wave. Ew. That's gross. After school, me and the Prince pretty much drove straight to Coulier Beach and went swimming. Couldn't wait because it was like 94 degrees or something. Really hot, and the water was just so nice and cold. So perfect. Kian made some friends and played with a little girl who had a watermelon raft. He made sandcastles. He played with another kid. Reluctantly, he didn't at first. He was upset that I let the other kid play with us, but he wanted to help him, you know, dig tunnels and caves and stuff. He was looking for a friend, and Kian was not being amicable, so he eventually moved on to another kid. So it was a good time. Anyways, that was the beach. Me and Kian drove to his mom's and to meet her at 7:30. She wasn't there. She wouldn't answer her phone. She wouldn't answer Skype. So we didn't know what to do. We wound up hanging out, waiting for her. So I wound up waiting 40 minutes outside of her house, not being able to reach her by phone. I talked to her roommate. He knocked on her door, walked in to see if she was there. She wasn't. No word, so decided, my shift started at 8, so decided to go and take Kian on deliveries with me. Just as we were heading to our first pickup at Subway, she messaged us and told me that she was at Fred Meyer, which she thought that I was dropping them off at 8:30. So wound up doing 2 deliveries with him and then dropping him back off at the house afterwards. And we played hide and go seek and kept giving me hugs and kisses and telling me he loves me and stuff, even though I'm going to see him tomorrow. And then just as I was about to quit, I went to pick up from Sherry's, dropped that off, and then called it a night. Didn't make my minimum today, which sucks, but it is what it is. Overheating problems throughout the day, later part of the day, and even into the evening when it's cool. So I don't know. Anyways, it's 10:40. Should be at Kristen's about 10:50, and calling it a night, crashing on their daybed, and then tomorrow rinse and repeat, same thing.